Hi, it's Wick Nixon here from Wicked Wellbeing. I'm excited to be here with you doing a live Facebook video. I'm all about healthy eating made easy for you, for your kids and for your family. So I just want to show you really quick and easy ideas that you can do so that you know that when you get home at the end of the day or for lunch, and so that you don't have to grieve for those packaged foods. So I share a lot of recipes on my website wickedwellbeing.com or on Facebook Lives or on my Facebook page. But today I am making a super easy lunch which is going to show you how to get at least six serves of vegetables into it. And we're just making a really simple omelette, but I've got a really secret ingredient. So make sure you hang around. So to start off with, I often have this for lunch if I need something really quick, filling, nourishing, but if you want to do it as a dinner for your family, just double the recipe or a bit more. You know, and omelettes are very forgiving and you can just add as many eggs in. But so I'm adding 2 eggs into a bowl. And then I've got about 1/4 cup of milk. Pour that in. Some salt and pepper. Good grinding of pepper and salt. I love it. And then a teaspoon of whole grain mustard. I often add that in because I love that little extra bite that it gives. So give that a whisk. Break it all up. And then into that, I've got about 1/3 cup of crumbled feta. You can use normal cheese into there. And then fresh out of the gun, I've got some spinach leaves and some finely chopped up parsley. So put that in. Now for my secret ingredient, and you may not know about this product, but it's called Nutrient Rescue. So the guy who founded Cookie Time is the founder of Nutrient Rescue. So his name is Michael Mayer, and he had a health scare a couple of years ago and had a complete 360 turnaround with his health, and has designed this product, or produced this product to help people to dial up more plant and veggie based products and dial down dairy and meat. So what it is it's a powder, and 1 teaspoon of this powder is equivalent to 3 to 5 serves of vegetables. And they also do a fruit powder, so 1 teaspoon is equivalent to 3 to 5 serves of fruit, which is amazing because you can just throw it into smoothies. I actually just sprinkle both of these over my breakfast because I know it's super easy. Or you can have them just in water, or you can have them as shots in coconut water. But also I've been experimenting putting them into cooking, and these going into bliss balls, or like raw muesli slice. So I'm going to be sharing some of those recipes coming out too. But so put a teaspoon of that into your omelette, and you don't even notice. That's what the most exciting thing about it is. I'll just turn my element on. So I've got a little pan here. I'm heating a little bit of oil. It was already in there in my pan. And then I'm going to pour this into the pan. Now, if you're interested in getting some of this product, you can't actually buy it through stores. So I'm their first ambassador. So if you go to nutrientrescue.nz/WN1, you will grab a 15% discount on any of your order. So that's nutrientrescue.nz/WN1, so that's Wick Nixon 1, and that will give you 15% off. And honestly, I absolutely swear by it. And I'll just pour this in here, mid-sentence. I've had so many families who have started on the product and absolutely love it, and have noticed that throughout the winter they haven't been getting the winter bugs, and you know, they just haven't had those flus and colds like they normally did. So a really good immune booster, and just so easy to use. So with this omelette, I cook it in there for a couple of minutes just to cook the bottom, and then I put it in the grill, under the grill for a couple of minutes to cook the top, and it's done. So literally, this is a 5-minute lunch that you can do with over 6 serves of vegetables in it, which you don't even notice the taste. I put this into a meatloaf that I made last night. Kids didn't even notice. And I mean, it's not a replacement for vegetables, but I still had loads of stuff in it, you know, but it's just knowing that you're getting all those nutrients in. So remember, that's wicked. Oh, so nutrientrescue.nz/WN1. Have an awesome afternoon, and I'll look forward to bringing you more recipes in the near future. See ya.